In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Notion pages with a focus on sharing and integrating them seamlessly into your workflow. Notion is a versatile tool that many of us rely on to organize our thoughts, projects, and daily tasks. So whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just getting started, these instructions will help you get the most out of your Notion pages. To begin with, let's dive into sharing your Notion page with others. When you open your Notion page, you'll notice a share button located at the top right. Clicking this button opens up options that allow you to collaborate with others effectively. If you need to share the page with specific people, simply enter their email addresses here. Make sure to set permissions appropriately so everyone has the access they need. Setting permissions means you can choose whether someone can view, comment, or edit the page, which is essential for managing collaboration effectively. Next, let's talk about how to share your Notion page more broadly. Perhaps you want to share it with anyone who has a link. To do this, you'll need to toggle on the Share to Web option. Once it's enabled, Notion provides you with a shareable link. Simply copy this link and you're ready to distribute your Notion page to a wider audience. This flexibility allows you to control who sees your content and how they interact with it. Now let's move on to integrating Notion with other applications. Integration is a powerful feature that allows you to streamline your work by having all your relevant information in one place. One of the quickest ways to integrate Notion with other applications is through the classic copy and paste method. Let's say you have a file, task, or page from another app like Google Docs, Figma, or YouTube. Start by copying the link of the desired item from that app. Once you have your link copied, navigate back to your Notion page. Paste the link directly into Notion. Now here's where the magic happens. If Notion supports embedding for that type of content, it will automatically embed things like YouTube videos and Figma files directly onto your Notion page. If embedding isn't supported, the link will be displayed as a clickable text. Clicking it will take you instantly back to the original app. This feature makes it incredibly efficient to manage multiple resources from one central location. Hopefully, this gives you a comprehensive overview of how to share and integrate Notion pages. By following these steps, you'll enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts. Remember, practice is key to mastering these techniques. So, start experimenting today to see how Notion can further enhance your workflow. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing!